of wonder. Now on the brink of war. The balance is broken. The fight for survival begins. One warrior, one destiny, one final stand. Return to Pandora. The war has begun.
Introducing the world's first movie creation app, fully AI-powered. Effortlessly transform your idea into ultra-realistic 8K cinematic movies. With done-for-you actors, scripts, dialogues, music, and more. No manual video shooting, scriptwriting, or face reveal needed. Experience these stunning AI-generated cinematic creations. Here you are watching some output clips before going in depth. Stay connected, I will show you everything in detail step by step. I will put the link in description. I recommend you to try this AI at least once in your life with 30 days money back guarantee. One-time payment, no recurring cost. So you can now imagine creating ultra-realistic 8K AI short film and movies with AI in just minutes. Fully automated AI-generated scripts, AI stunning visuals, AI voiceover, dubbing and lip sync with dialogues, instantly generate lifelike actors, complete with customizable looks, movements, and personalities. Integrated video songs and AI background music. Real-time editing, add cinematic camera effects.
Oops.
Choose
Sorry
from
to
multiple
interrupt.
genres and themes,
There you
automatically translate scripts
I'm
and
glad we
dialogues into
finally
multiple
found
languages.
you. Kurokumo
Produce
Cherry
complete,
Sun.
ready to publish cinematic short films in less than 2 minutes in a single AI.
We gather that some of your memory has come back. Regretfully, I reset your memory as was stipulated in the Kurokumo Charter. Rest assured, I wish to aid your full recall.
Let's log into Dashboard and start your AI movie journey. You will Also, you can make poster from AI movie poster section. Not only that, you can also generate tags for your movie from AI movie tags section. And upload your AI movie to any app platform directly from AI movie platform to earn passive income. If this video helps, give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's see another generated AI short film with this AI.
It was too late. The light should have come sooner. The earth beneath the village cracked open, and from the depths emerged a monstrous being of fire and destruction. Lava poured through the streets. Flames consumed the town, and a fiery beast, bound for decades, unleashed its wrath. On the hill, the old man stood with his lantern, a flame flickering with ancient power. As its glow intensified, both he and his loyal dog began to transform. His tattered cloak came gleaming, rune-etched armor, and the lantern morphed into a weapon of radiant energy. The dog grew larger, its fur bristling with mystical light, its eyes burning with determination. Together, now as warriors forged by the lantern's magic, they descended into the burning chaos below, their only hope to find the source of the monster's power, and end it before the world was consumed by fire. And once again, the old man was able to save the world from destruction, even if one of his companions had to leave him. The new one will follow him on his path.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to try this AI at least once in your life with 30 days money-back guarantee.